birthday to you. Good morning everyone. Gusto kong batiin si Pinsan Marlan ng happy birthday. Wishing you all the best of luck and joys. Good luck to all your endeavor in life. Sana pagpalain ka ni Lord na bigyan ka ng lahat ng iyong pangarap sa buhay. Be patient. Time will come. If it's yours, it's yours. Just be good. And hopefully to see you all sa December. Happy birthday ulit. Bye. Love you all.
Hello, Langga Marlan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy 41st birthday. Okay. Edad lang yan. Okay. Baby face pa naman eh. Keep on smiling. Keep on positive. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming taon at saka more blessings sa iyong buhay in the entire whole year. And then, to your family, always good health. And then, happy lang. And then, always keep positive in life. And then, keep motivating yourself. And basta yung pangarap mo, go on lang. And then, basta think positive like that. Happy, always smile. Kasi, yun yung trademark ng tesorero, diba? Tulad ni Ate Mahal, always keep on smiling. Okay. So, yun na. Happy lang. Happy birthday lang ka, Marlan. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. At saka, happy birthday. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Kain na.
Ang gusto ko lang batiin ng magandang kaarawan, si Lods Marlan Tesorero. Happy birthday, Lods!
Hi guys, good morning to everyone. This is Singkit Mysteries and I would like to greet a happy birthday to Tol Marlan Tesorero. Wish you all the best on your birthday. Have a good day and enjoy your day to Tol Marlan. God bless and stay safe, Tol. Thank you so much sa support and happy birthday again.
Hello, Lods. Happy birthday sa'yo. Lods Marlan, happy birthday sa'yo. Enjoy your birthday at sana makamit mo lahat ng dreams mo sa buhay kasama si Ganda. Ayan na, happy birthday ulit. Ingat lagi. See you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Marlan! May you have many more birthdays to come and more followers para ma-unlock mo na ang 5K mo. And good luck! Miss you! Miss ka na ni Mahal! Love you!
Hi, Idol Marlan. Good morning. Happy birthday para sa bukas. Sana maging malusog ka lagi at sana maraming blessings na darating sa buhay mo at maraming taon na darating sa buhay mo at sana lagi kang good health, always peace of mind, positive always. Happy birthday!
Hello, Lodi! Ayan, I just wanna greet happy birthday to my Lodi Tot. Ayan, happy birthday Lodi Tot, Marlan. Keep it up, boy. Hindi, birthday wish ko, stay healthy. Siyempre, more birthdays to come and
God will always guide you and protect you always. Then keep safe every day. Stay healthy and stay happy. Ganon. Happy lang. And sana malasing mo ako. Diyos ko naman to. Oh, hindi. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Lodi. And God bless you more. Stay humble and advance congrats, Char. Ayan. Sige lang. Laban lang. Ayan. Mararating din natin ang kailangan nating marating, Char. Ayan. Basta sige. Happy birthday. And basta wish you best wishes. Ayan, sana matupad mo lahat ng lahat ng mga desire ng puso. Char. Basta ayun na. Yun lang. And mabuhay ka hangga't gusto mo. Ayan, happy birthday. God bless you. Mwah. Tita Guy.
Kasi lahat naman tayo may problema, kasama natin sa buhay natin yan. Pray lang kay Lord, manalig ka lang at malulutas din. At saka happy birthday kung ano man yung mga problema dumating sa ating buhay. Andiyan, inihiling ko lang sa kay Lord na ang kalakasan ng katawan mo at kapayapaan at para magsama kayong mabuti ni Sel at hindi na kayo mag-aaway. Pray lang, manalig ka lang at happy birthday.
Yun. Happy birthday, Tol. Love you. Ngayon ka lang mag-birthday na dyan ka. Wala kami. Dyan ka sa Bataan. Love you. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love. Mama. Chup. Kakaligo ko lang eh. Ganyan ang tsura pag bagong ligo ng ate mo. Ganda pa din. Hehe. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Love. Mama Chup. Tol Marlan Tesorero. Sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng malakas na pangangatawan para kay Lola. Lagi ka andyan. Kasi alam mo naman si Lola, mahal na mahal ka din. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sana magtagal pa kayo ni Lisay lang habang panahon. And good health para kay Lola. Love you. Yummy. Okay.
Happy birthday, Tita Bebe. Love you, Mama Chup Chup.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay na?
Good morning, Tol. Dito ako sa kusina. Sorry ha. Kasi nag-breakfast ako. Ayan, ito yung breakfast ko. Kinain ko yung isa. Para i-greet muna kita ng happy birthday ulit. Tol Marlan, ha? Ito. Happy birthday sa iyo, Tol Marlan. God bless you always. Keep it up the good works. And sana hindi kayo magbabago kay Tol Nicom, ha? At happy birthday. Enjoy lang yung birthday mo. And God bless you always. At least, naman tayo sa YouTube, at saka sa Facebook, kay Lola. Nabimit tayo doon. Kaya, keep it up. God bless you and happy birthday sa iyo. Pasensya sa background ko kasi nasa kusina ako, nagbe-breakfast. Kasi nag-ready ako papasok ako sa work ko. Greet me muna kita ng happy birthday kasi. Kaya, ayan. Happy birthday, Tol Marlan. God bless you. Mua. Chup.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more
Marlon. Hi, Ninong Marlon. Ayon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So, ayan, Ninong, thank you sa
Thank you sa YouTube at nagkakilala tayo. Isa ka sa naging kaibigan ko. Hindi man tayo gaanong close, pero alam kong mabait ka. Ayan, komedyante. Ayun, shout out dyan kay Sis Nikom. So, ayan, happy birthday and I wish you all the best, Ninong Marlon. Wish ko na sana magtagumpay ang iyong YouTube journey. Bye-bye and God bless you.
Hello everyone! Ayan, gusto ko pang batiin si Bebe ko Marlan na happy birthday! And sana po ay gabayan ka palagi ni Lord sa lahat ng plano mo sa buhay and kung ano man yung plano mo sa buhay. Ayan, and again, happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. Ayan, God bless you. And ingat always. I love you, Mama. Chuk chuk.
Hi Marlan! Happy birthday! Hindi ko alam ng birthday mo. Grabe, nag-birthday ka. Uy, birthday ka pala! Yan. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, ako nga pala si Ate Jam. Medyo nag-iba itsura ko kasi medyo tumaba ako din sa Pilipinas. And sobra akong ang pangis ko, grabe. Sobrang init din sa Pilipinas. And then, ayun, sobrang busy ko. Pero, eto, nakagawa pa rin ako ng time for you. Ikaw pa naman. Ikaw ang langga ko. Kayong dalawa din ko, no? So, happy birthday again sa'yo, ha? Enjoy. Don't everyday, siya, puno. Nakakanaki ng tiyan yun. And congrats sa iyong achievements. And maraming salamat. I'm so thankful na nakilala kita dito sa mundo ng Mikey. At nagulat ako na yung first time na na-meet kita is sabi ko pa is something na parang may kamukha to, di ba? Yung pala is kamag-anak ko ni Mahaba Magdinimaha na aking paboritong actress. So, maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Thank you sa support. Support lang tayo pag may time. Sa totoo, sobrang busy si Ate Jam, ha? Thank you very much. God bless sa inyo. Bye-bye.
Hi Lods, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday dear Marlan! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day! I wish you all the best! At sana matupad din ang mga wish mo at sana yung lungkot na nararamdaman mo ngayon ay medyo mabawasan dahil nga sa sitwasyon ni Lola. Try pa rin to be happy hanggat nandyan ka sa tabi ni Lola kasi soon uuwi ka na rin ng Manila. So hanggat nandyan ka, enjoy mo kasama si Lola, have fun, enjoy your birthday with Lola. Ingat lagi, have a nice day, happy birthday!
Hi Langga! Happy birthday! I love you! Sana yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay is matupad mo. And then, always good health, more blessings to come to you and your whole family. Always keep safe. Happy lang. Always think positive. And then, keep on going to your goals. Someday, matutupad din yan. Basta keep on positive thinking lang. And then, always pray to God. Okay, so happy lang. Always keep on smiling, keep positive. Kaya mo yan eh. Ganun nga diba? Tawa-tawa lang kahit may problema. Always lang, ganun lang. Okay. Happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me to make this video for you. Very pleasure. Okay. Happy birthday, Langga. Always good health. Enjoy your day.